In part A, it says that what is the value of dV dt? Well, I think that, does that just tell you? Yeah, part A. dV dt is the rate at which the voltage changes over time, and it tells you that it is 1. 1 what? What's the units for dV dt?
Volts.
Yeah, V for volts. Volts per second. Okay, part A is done. Part B says what is the value of the current as it changes with respect to time? And I think it tells you that also, doesn't it?
Yep.
1/3 amperes per second. And then part C is write an equation involving all of them. So the equation is just the derivative of this V equals IR. So when I take the derivative using implicit differentiation, what rule will I need to use? Product rule. Very good. So dV dt is equal to di dt times R plus I times dr dt. And that's part C. Finally, part D. And what part D says is, it gives you some information. Suppose V is 12, I is 2. We're looking for dr dt. So, awesome. So we just start plugging things in. dV dt is 1. di dt is 1/3. The rate, it tells us that the rate is, it doesn't tell us the rate. We'll get to that in a second. It tells us that the current is 2 amps. So that's 2. Why did I write D over there?
It's the, no, it's D. Part D.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. That would make sense why I would do that. All right, sounds good. And let's see here. We're at 2. dr dt. Did we figure out dr dt? Oh, that's what we're looking for. dr dt. Okay, and it gave us that the voltage was 12. How do I find the rate then? So we know that V equals 12. We know that I equals 2, which means that R would equal what? 6, right? Because since V equals IR, so you plug 6 into there. And now we just solve for dr dt, and we'll be done. So 1 equals 2 plus 2 dr dt. So negative 1/2 equals dr dt. So that means that the resistance will be increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. Although, did I do this wrong? Oh, I screwed something up.
di dt is negative.
Right. I messed up. I was going fast, and it says that di dt was decreasing. So that means that's negative, which makes that negative, which makes the 2 negative, which makes this negative 3/2. Right? And by negative, I mean positive. Good. Glad you guys are paying attention, because I'm clearly not. All right. So now it's increasing. Yeah, there we go. Okay, 3/2 is what, by the way? What are the units for resistance? Ohms. Ohms per second. Sorry. All right.